Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here once again at Spotify Camp Nou for the latest progress around the stadium. The weather has been challenging lately with near daily rainfall in Barcelona, but work continues to push forward. If you're enjoying these daily construction updates, don't forget to leave a like and please hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and helps our channel grow. Let's dive into today's updates. Major progress occurred in the lateral section today, with the third radial beam successfully installed, though it remains unclear whether this happened this morning or yesterday. The fourth compression ring pillar is prepared near the entrance and ready for installation following earlier preparation work. Protective plastic sheeting remains over areas where glass panels are already installed. Workers continue on upper pillars requiring formwork and concrete, while several others still await concrete work. The staircase structure still needs planks in its upper sections, and the right side framework remains exposed and incomplete. Multiple trucks loaded with slats have arrived, mainly for lateral areas with ongoing installation, signaling continued progress. No additional radial beams are visible yet, but more are expected since the fourth beam will be required soon. At the north goal area, workers are installing glass panel supports in the upper sections. Horizontal support pieces are in place, though installation stops short of some pillars due to diagonal beam corners. Additional brackets are being added on the left side, with at least one more section needed to reach the piston. Large quantities of insulation material, likely rock wool, are stored in the corner, and some glass panels are staged for upper installation. In the lower area, components for slat supports are visible in sectors lacking connection pieces, requiring smaller vertical connections due to closer beam spacing. Scaffolding remains throughout. At the final corner, another chrome tube has been installed in the lower section, complementing the upper tubes, while several large tubes still await installation. If you're enjoying this update, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any future progress on the stadium. In the Tribuna section, activity directly in front is limited, but significant work continues at the diamond-shaped structures where glass panels are being installed. Workers carefully position panels using powerful suction cups to prevent slipping or cracking. Several panels are already installed in the lateral area, with only a few gaps remaining, while the frontal section shows strong progress. A concrete pump is positioned above but appears idle, with no mixer present, and concrete activity on site has become increasingly rare. The first diamond structure, the future cafeteria, is actively receiving glass panels, with multiple units already installed and another being positioned. The second diamond structure, planned for the FC Barcelona official store, has not received new panels since Monday. Glass panels above the doors remain missing, with 3 openings per side. Light rain is beginning to fall, slowing work as frequent rainfall continues. Large ventilation components are visible nearby, including one notably large piece not seen previously. Workers are also clearing debris. This structure remains unsealed, missing 6 panels plus corner sections. At the south goal area, progress continues in the lower section, where slat supports have been installed. Workers are placing connection pieces while the tower crane lifts materials. New insulation-like material, lighter than concrete, is visible here and in rear sections. In the corner, major progress has been made on false ceiling slats, with an entire lower sector section completed since Monday. After delays from rain, matches, and holidays, work has resumed at a strong pace. Elevated platforms remain active, anchors are in place, and the orange crane stands nearby with additional slats ready for installation. That wraps up today's construction update from Camp Nou. As you can see, progress continues across multiple sections despite weather challenges. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It's free and ensures you don't miss any future updates. Your support helps the channel reach more viewers interested in mega construction projects. Thank you for watching MegaVerse Builds. See you tomorrow with another daily update from the Camp Nou construction site.